Let me show you how to clean out your stainless steel sink and get it sparkling like new. First thing I like to do is remove anything that is on top of the sink or around it. That way we can get everything nice and clean. Before I start spraying any cleaners down, I like to come through and give the entire sink a good rinse with some water. This gets rid of any big pieces. As you can see here in the left side, there are some coffee grounds. So we got those all taken care of, and now we can start cleaning. The first cleaner I like to use is Fairy Kitchen. If you used this stuff before, you probably already know it does an amazing job of degreasing and removing any sort of food that might be left behind. We are going to spray it down and then use an unscratch sponge and give the entire sink a deep cleaning. Now you will notice kinda where the drain is, there is a lot of grime that builds up in those areas, so I make sure to give that area a good scrub too. Once everything is nice and clean, then I come through and give the entire sink a good rinse. Now that we have the first layer of grime off the sink, you can tell it definitely looks better, but there is still a little bit of gunk in the drain. Now for this I love to use Jif cream. You can also use the powder version, and again just apply some to the sink, and then we are going to come through with a sponge and give it a good scrub. The reason why I love Jif is because it does an amazing job, not only break down the hard water buildup that might be on the sink, but it really brings the shine in the stainless steel. Many times when you start scrubbing a really dirty area with Jif, you will notice the bubbles turn from white to dirty brown. That means it's working and doing a great job lifting the dirt from the surface. While you are scrubbing, don't forget about the back side of the sink. Sometimes the hard water likes to build up around the faucet, so make sure to give it a good scrub too. Also, something to always keep in mind when using Jif on a stainless steel sink is don't let it sit for too long. So give everything a good scrub, let it sit for about a minute, and then come through and rinse the entire sink. When rinsing, I like just to spray everything down with some water, then use a microfiber towel and make sure there is no Jif residue left behind. The last step is one that's often forgotten or maybe just not done at all. But if you ask me, it's one of the most important steps to really get your sink looking shiny and clean. Just use a microfiber cloth. Bath and dry the entire sink. This is going to just shine it up and not leave any water streaks behind, making it look amazing. On average, it can usually take 5 to 10 minutes to clean your sink. And as you can see here from the before and after, I think it looks amazing. Thanks for watching. We hope you find these tips helpful in achieving the sparkling shine in your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning hacks and home improvement tips. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Until next time, happy cleaning!